Stuff it, roll it, bake it. Sharing's caring when it comes to our crowd-pleasing Skillet baked pizza rolls. Let's get into it. Prep your pizza dough ahead of time. Mix flour, salt, water, and yeast, the ingredients needed to make our classic pizza dough. You can mix by hand or using the Ooni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer. The step-by-step for our classic pizza dough recipe can be found on Ooni.com. Fire up your oven and aim for around 572 degrees Fahrenheit or 300 degrees Celsius. Now, it's time for that all-important delicious herb butter. Get all the ingredients in a bowl and mix together. Set aside for later. Lightly flour your work surface. Using a rolling pin, flatten each ball of dough into a long oval shape. Trim round the edges to shape into a rectangle. Spread 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce over each piece of dough. Top with mozzarella, pepperoni, and basil. Take the edge of the pizza dough sheet and roll the dough in on itself, forming one long tube. Slice in equal portions. Set aside. Oil and preheat your cast iron skillet pan. Turn the stuffed pizza dough portions upright so that the cheese is facing upwards, and tuck the rolls into the skillet. Repeat with as many of the dough rolls as you can fit into the skillet. This should be snug inside. Coat the pizza rolls with the herb butter you whipped up earlier. Now get that skillet in the oven and cook for 5 to 6 minutes or until the tops turn golden brown. Sprinkle the remaining mozzarella on top, and here until the cheese is melted and turned a light golden color. Dish up this mouth-watering share with a side of pizza sauce to wow your friends and family. Enjoy!